In today's video, I will be showing you how to change your profile picture on your account on your account from Rednote easy and quickly. So first of all, click on Rednote, and as you see here, you are on the home page. Go to the profile section, as you see, and here you will find profile. Click on it. Here you can customize or manage your profile section. Click here on this camera icon, and here you can choose any, for example this one. Wait a second. So that's it. That's how to change your profile picture. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.